Atlantic launches India's largest B2B wholesale portal, trade.atlanticbooks.com. Our B2B platform makes wholesale book buying fast and easy with online ordering on both web and mobile, real-time stock status, 24/7 access to prices and discounts, shipment tracking, special offers and discounts online only, ability to download catalogs/Excel lists, WhatsApp support for quick assistance, AI chat assistant for smart search. With over 49+ years experience in book industry, Atlantic's B2B platform gives you millions of books from 20,000+ global publishers, lightning-fast search, best wholesale prices, and books across thousands of genres and subjects. Atlantic brings to you a single platform with millions of books from thousands of global publishers across each category, like trade, fiction, and general publishers, academic and professional publishers, school college education publishers, children's book publishers, university presses, and many more. We offer books from every genre like fiction, children's books, AI, manga, sciences, social sciences, medicine, and many more. All your bestsellers across publishers under one roof for booksellers to choose from. Let's see a demo of how you can place an order. With lightning-fast search, you can search books by ISBN, title, author, publisher, subject, and other keywords. On the product detail page, you can see your personalized discounts and pricing 24/7, view shipping estimates, binding options, read samples, generate flyers, and more. You can also see detailed information like about the book, author, table of contents. Discover AI-powered recommendations for related books, as well as your recently viewed titles. Simply add a book to your cart and review your selections. You can now also download your cart as an Excel file for easy sharing, record keeping, and bulk ordering, and then proceed to checkout seamlessly. Atlantic's B2B portal also allows you to place bulk order in seconds with the bulk add to cart option. You can either manually enter the ISBNs with the required quantities or upload an Excel file. Then you will see a list of available products that you can choose to add to your cart and complete checkout. On the cart page, you can review the books selected, quantities, discounts, and shipping time period, and proceed to checkout. On checkout, fill in your address details and choose from payment options like credit, debit, UPI, net banking, and more. Customers having credit terms with Atlantic can complete checkout without a payment method to submit their purchase order. Once submitted, customers can review the purchase order confirmation. Customers can also view their order history by viewing their profile to track past orders. The new B2B portal combines Atlantic's deep industry expertise with modern technology to give our trade customers a seamless book purchasing experience online. Sign up today at trade.atlanticbooks.com.